Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Timeless Tidings stamp set. Now, this stamp set can stand alone on its own, or you can buy the kit. There's a kit that comes with it that you can make 20 absolutely gorgeous Christmas cards. Like, they're stunning. They've got gold embellishments to them and some sparkles, and they're just stunning. And I will post some pictures of the ones that I did on my blog at some point. And I'm also holding a local kit class in case you're local and want to come. Anyway, for today, I'm going to use this poinsettia image, and I am stamping that with Memento Tuxedo black ink on Whisper white paper because I plan to color it with my blends markers. I have 3 different colors of blends markers, Real Red, Poppy Parade, and Cherry Cobbler. And on all of them, I did the very exact same thing, laid down a little bit of the dark where I thought shadows were, went in with the lighter tone, tried to blend the two together. The centers of the poinsettias was Mango Melody. Then I fussy cut all of them out. Some people don't like fussy cutting. I don't have a problem with it. But I sped through it, and look at that. Isn't that just awesome if you could just snap your fingers and all the tedious work is done. So I have a piece of thick Whisper white as my card base. I am stamping in Memento Tuxedo black ink. And then I came in with the Making Christmas Bright and this circular image, and I inked it up with Mango Melody. I always get Melon Mambo and Mango Melody mixed up. I think it's because they're both melons. Anyway, and then I'm daubing on the Poppy Parade. I chose Poppy Parade for this because it is kind of a tomatoey color and goes really well with that mango. So I'm just stamping down around the sentiment that says, sending good tidings of comfort and joy. Put some dimensionals on the back of my poinsettias, and I have 5 here, but I only use 3. I put the other 2 on the inside of the card. When I have a project like this, I always do tend to make, a couple. And I colored the rhinestones with my blends marker. I think that was maybe Cherry Cobbler. And there you go. That is the card for today. Thanks so much for hanging out, and I will see you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.